Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking the core concept, who this OC is and what drives them. Pick 3 defining traits now so decisions stay consistent. Once done, choose a clear silhouette, 2 main colors, and 1 prop that tells a story at a glance. You'll use these anchors to guide personality, backstory, and design choices, so don't overcomplicate this step. Be decisive and practical. This focused start prevents indecision later and gives you a repeatable foundation for development. Now deepen the character by creating a short backstory centered on a formative trigger event and a believable context for their goal. Once that's sketched, refine the OC's voice by writing 5 sample lines and noting cadence and favorite phrases. Make 3 design variants, 2 outfit options, and expression studies to test readability in different scenes. These steps show how and why your choices affect behavior and visuals, so iterate quickly, compare versions, and keep only what strengthens the concept. Finish by consolidating a clean character sheet, concise bio, color codes, key poses, and 3 reference expressions. Once assembled, test the OC in 3 different scenarios: conversation, conflict, downtime, to ensure traits and visuals remain consistent. Make small tweaks where behavior or silhouette breaks. If the design feels muddy, simplify shapes and reduce the palette. Less is often clearer. This quick troubleshooting keeps the character readable and memorable, so make those reductions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.